Hey there, innovators. Welcome back to the channel. Are you interested in making AI videos? Think you've seen all the AI video generators out there? Think again. Today, I've got a shiny new gem for you. It's packed with cool features, and the best part? It's 100% free. Yes, free, but who knows for how long? So, grab your coffee, cozy up, and let's dive into this cool AI video generator. Alright, first things first. Head over to PixVerse AI. The link's in the description below. You've got your choice of ways to log in. Get started in web or go to Discord. For this video, we will choose the web version. So click on Get Started in Web and let the adventure begin. Once you're logged in, welcome to the PixVerse dashboard. Right now, we're in the Popular Videos tab, where you can see all the community's hits. Click on any video to see their beginning prompts, images, and settings like motion, strength, and quality. It's almost like peeking behind the curtain. Do you see a video you like? You can retry it yourself using the same settings, upscale the resolution, or make changes in the editor. You can also favorite it with the heart icon or download it with the download button. You have loads of options. Now, let's explore the other tabs. Next to Popular Videos, we have My Videos, where all your creations live. Then, there's Favorite, home to your favorited videos. And finally, the Character tab, where you can create and manage characters for your videos. We'll talk more about this later on. Over here on the top right, you've got your credits. In the free plan, you get 50 daily credits, starting with 150. Each video generation costs 10 credits. Next to the credits are buttons for tutorials or questions if you need help. Okay, so let's create a video. You have 3 options to choose from: text to video, image to video, and character to video. Let's try text to video first. In the prompt bar, type what you want to see in your video. For this example, let's try a large brown dog sits by a pond in a forest. Next, in the negative prompt, type what you don't want, like deformed limbs, too many limbs, multiple heads, weird eyes, ugly, off-page. Next, select the video style: realistic, anime, 3D animation, or CG. I'll go with anime. Choose the aspect ratio. I'll leave it at 69. Let's see what we get. Click Create. Just look at this. The dog looks very cute sitting in the pond, but that wasn't exactly what I wanted, so I would need to make some changes to the prompt and rerun it, but you get the basic idea. If you like the video you make, you can upscale it or download it. If not, just redo it with changes. For now, let's head back to the editor. Now, let's try to create a video using a static image. Click on the Image to Video button in the editor, then drag your image into this box. I've uploaded this picture I made of a baby seal swimming. You can type a prompt to guide the motion, or leave it blank and let the AI do all the work. I'll type seal is swimming as water moves slowly back and forth. And we'll skip Magic Brush for now, but we'll cover it in another video soon. Next, you can adjust the camera motion settings, horizontal and vertical length, roll, and zoom, but I'll leave them all at 0. You can also choose a new seed number if you want to, then set the motion strength and decide if you want HD quality. When you're ready, click Create. Okay, our generation is done. The baby seal is floating and the water is moving somewhat, but not as much as I wanted. But I can always make it again and maybe change the prompt and settings. After all, this is an experiment as you learn the software. If you are happy with your video, you can upscale or download it, or add it to your favorites, then make another video. Notice they are only 4 seconds long. Finally, let's create a video using a specific character. Click on the character button. So let's make a new one. Click the plus icon, upload an image, and name your character. I'll name him Clay. Now go back to the editor, and Clay will be selectable in the character option. In the prompt bar, type what you want to see in the video. Let's test the AI skills. Create a video of Clay inside his classroom, slightly smiling at the camera as the sun shines into the room midday. Keep the auto character prompt on for consistency. Add your negative prompt: off page, ugly, weird eyes, too many limbs, weird hands, weird fingers. Select the aspect ratio, pick a random seed number, and click create. So let's check it out. Hey, look at this. He's not really moving like I wanted him to, but the camera is moving in the shot. And the AI did a fantastic job keeping the character consistent. Wouldn't you agree? Just look at the video compared to our starting image. And when you're making these, if you're not satisfied, you can always regenerate it again for a different result. But overall, I would have to say this is a very positive experience. So, what do you think? Do you think this software could be helpful to you, innovators? PixVerse AI is an amazing free tool for creating stunning videos, and it's getting better all the time. Share your thoughts in the comments. I'm dying to know what you made a video of. Have fun experimenting. I hope you found this video helpful. Whether you're an aspiring artist, a beginner, or a seasoned pro, Mix It with AI is here to guide you every step of the way on your creative journey as we make art with AI. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our videos with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.